My sugar daddy is calling me a car right now, so I don't know, but yours needs to step it up. He's not doing his job. We could try to stop this, postpone the heartache, but I bet your body disagree, cause you keep coming home to me, my eyes are glued to my... What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jayla Koriyan. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you know when I post new videos. Today is a Valentine's Day look. I thought I'd do a simple glam look with a red lip. You know, I feel like just that simple, chic, glam makeup look is everything. That's my go-to Valentine's Day look. So let's go ahead and get into it. So girl, I'm gonna start by priming my face. I'm using the Becca Ever Matte Primer. Live by this stuff. It's the best primer ever for oily skin. I put it in my T-zone area and you know, it's just the best. It soaks up all my oils. Yeah, I love this stuff. Soon I'm going to need to do a makeup run because like my eyebrow products are running out. I literally have no pencil left, so I might need to run to the store today because I'm leaving tomorrow, going on a little trippy trip, and I'm excited. I'm trying to not make my brows so square, so like lighter strokes, I guess. I found that my brows look the best when I don't do too much, like when I lightly fill them. Sometimes my hand can be a little bit heavy. I like to go in with the LA Pro Concealer. This is in Fawn. I feel like it matches my skin complexion, and I will just sculpt my brows out. I actually put a lot of product out the tube. Okay. This pencil is gone. I have to go to the store today. Easy. Easy. Okay, Jayla. Although we're doing a simple look, I want to make sure that my eyeshadow pops, so I'm going to be going in with the Kat Von D basically shadow primer. The base of it is like a light color, so when I put my colors on top, they pop, and that's what we want, even with simple looks. So sometimes I find with my skin color, shadows get lost in my skin color, like they don't really show up that great, and I find when I do this, you see them perfectly. With this palette, I'm going to start off with the middle brown, and once I put that on, I'm then going to go in with this like darker brown right here. It's like more like a reddish brown. So the first brown is going to be basically my transition color, and then the second brown I'm going to build up in the crease. Other color in the crease, directly in the crease. You can build it up to be as bright as you want. Sometimes I get another blending brush and I just want to like blend those colors together. Now I'm going to be putting on that gold glitter on my lid, but I'm going to spray my brush. You can use like Fix Plus, or I'm using the just my regular makeup setting spray, but I mean I have Fix Plus. Whatever wet that I have around me, that's what I'm going to use. So I'm going to go in with this. Y'all see how pretty that is? The palettes today. Put this in the center. You see the difference of the gold? Ooh, this is like a champagne type of gold. I like it. I like it like that. So gold. It looks more like yellow. For my eyes, I always have to concentrate a little bit more, but I'm moving on to my face, and now I can tell you guys a little story time. I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Matte Poreless Fit Me Foundation. I'm in the shade 335 Classic Tan. It's working for me, so I just have not switched it up. The bottle's almost gone, so I will be, you know, I need to re-up on my stuff. So I need to get a pump for this. But so sometimes I indulge in my gossip on the internet. I try not to do it a lot. I feel like it's negative, and I don't know. I try not to do it a lot. I try to limit my indulging. But you know, gossip it can be fun. So I was looking at some video. I don't know how I got there. Like, you know, videos just come up in your recommended and you look and you say, what is this? And then you end up clicking on it. So it was this video, something about like, oh, all your favorite Instagram girls have sugar daddies or something. I cannot remember the title. So of course I clicked on it. I wanted to see. I'm like, oh, who got a sugar daddy? So I'm watching the video. Forget what the girl is talking about. She's just talking about the girls and the fake lifestyles of these internet people, blah, 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 blah. So I scroll down and I see a comment, and the comment was basically like, I don't want to say her name, but it's this girl that like her lifestyle just doesn't match how much, like, I guess they think the girl is making, or like, you know, the girl's not really doing nothing or whatever. So of course I want to know the tea. Like I personally do feel like some internet girls, like, what do they do? Like, I understand doing YouTube because I do YouTube, but some girls I really just be like, wait, how do they make their money? Like, they be doing a whole lot. So I really think I don't know, they probably like date a celebrity, or they date somebody with money or something. They parents got money, I don't know. So that's why I was watching the video, because I'm trying to figure out too. So I'm in the dang on, it was like, so she made the comment, and then under the comment was like 30 other replies, and people trying to figure out who the girl is, and they're like going back and forth. Well, as I'm reading, like, I already, like, they were like basically like, oh, I don't want to say the name, but I have a girl in mind. And I'm thinking in my head, oh, I got a girl in mind too. Like, I wonder if they talking about the same girl that I'm talking about. As I'm scrolling and I'm reading, why was my name brought up? Why was my name brought up? Yo, I was looking so like, what? Like, what? I'm the girl that y'all are talking about? Can't be. So of course I read more, and some people had some, like, you know, they felt like, I guess I have a sugar daddy or something. And I was like, do I even come off like that type of person? I was like, so like, wow. I laughed at that. I had to call my friend like, bruh, let me tell you what I just saw on the internet about myself. And it's stuff like that that's like, you know, funny. I think it was funny. I thought it was hilarious. No, I do not have a sugar daddy. Nobody pays my rent. I had to pay my own rent. Nobody pays for my trips. I had to pay for my own trips. No guy has ever bought me a designer bag. I bought all my own bags, you know? Y'all think I have a sugar daddy? Find me one. Find me one. Get me one. Sign me up on the list. Sign me up on the list for somebody to pay my rent. That would be amazing. So I wanted to share that story with y'all. I thought it was hilarious. So I do indulge in gossip on the internet every now and then. And it was just so funny to me that I'm indulging in gossip and someone like was gossiping about me. I was like, what the world? I am now going to go in with the new Fenty Beauty concealers. I love these little babies. I love the applicator. So they did send me this. They sent me two shades. They sent me 370 and 330. One is a little bit darker than the other. I'm gonna put like stroke them so you guys can see the color. So this is 330 and that is 370. As you guys can see, this one has a little bit more yellow undertone and this one has a little bit more warmth. Hey, Ma.
Hey, let me tell you something.
What?
Now, I saw people.
How long was I on the phone with my mom? She messed it up. Let me see. 21 minutes. 21 minutes is too long, okay? We could have been done with our makeup. What type of relationship do you have with your mother? Me and my mom got close when I went away for college. When I was in high school, I think I was bad and she didn't like me and I did not like her. But when I went away for college and we could grow an adult relationship, I think that, yeah, my mom's like, I love my mom. When she calls me, my mom's calling, you know? Like, she just, breath of fresh air. We do bump heads sometimes, you know, but that's with freaking anything. Not really bump heads, but she's still my mother and she likes to, you know, mother and guide me in the right direction, which I love oh so much. Like, I value my mom's opinion so much, you know. I love my mom. I haven't put on highlighter in a really long time, so I am going to put on highlighter. I've been really feeling like putting something in my lower lash line. I feel like it adds like a sultry look to my eyes. I feel like black is way too harsh under my eye, so I have to go with a dark brown or like a dark purple, so it's just not so black. I'm feeling good about the face and the eyes. Let's move on to the lips. I'm going in with a red lip liner because I told you guys I wanted to do a red lip. So make sure your lips are moisturized. For my hair, and then I'm going to come back with my final look, my outfit, what I put on, you know. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back in my glam room. My hair is curled. I didn't pick them out yet. I'm just gonna nicely like fluff them out and let them fall throughout the day nicely. If you are looking for hair extensions, frontals, 613 blonde hair, wigs, please go to glamtextures.com. We're having 30% off. Use the coupon code LOVE for your 30% off. We got all the bundles. Everything's in stock. 2-day shipping. So yeah. Yeah, girl, I know. I'm just putting my jewelry on. I'm almost ready. But I mean, last year he took me on a helicopter ride over the city, so this year he's gonna have to top that, or I'm calling my other sugar, you know? Yeah. So, oh, he's calling right now. 1 sec.